Let's grade an example of this most popular response algorithm question. So question number 2 from the Family Feud project. So let's look at, what have I got here? Looks like a flowchart by Bob's student. Got that in the tab sequence. Okay, so Bob's student. Now again, I go through the algorithm, trying to use the algorithms or the directions before I grade the top few things. So let's look at the first algorithm and let's look at the number 23. So 23. I guess I'm starting in this green circle here. It says, is the number greater than 50? 23 is not greater than 50. So I'm going to go down here. This says we don't know if it's most popular. So no. So looking back here, 23. Yeah, that's right. Great. Okay, now let's check 61. So if I look at this thing, 61, is 61 greater than 51? Yes, it is most popular. Fantastic. So 61, that one works. Gets the mark. Okay, now let's look at the second algorithm. So I'm going to check both of these numbers. So I've got 40 and 41. So this says sum the two numbers is the sum greater than 66. So if I sum 40 and 41, I get that there was, whoa, why did that get worse? I was trying to make it so this was a little bigger, but I way failed. Go away, sideboard. Nope, not gonna buy it. So, sorry, 40 and 41, 40 plus 41 is 83. 83 is bigger than 66. This says the larger of the two numbers is most popular. 41 is larger. It said, this says that 41 should be. Gets that point. Okay, let's look at 51 and 0. So 51, sum the two numbers. 51 plus 0 is 51. That's not greater than 66. This says we don't know. No, 51 is definitely most popular. It's definitely the majority. So that's a no. Let's look at 48 and 48. 48 plus 48 is 96. It is greater than 66. This says the larger of the two numbers is most popular. Between 48 and 48, I'm not sure which one's larger, so I'm going to say that doesn't get the point there. Let's look at 46 and 6. 46 plus 6 is 52, which is not greater than 66. It says we don't know. That's correct. Okay, let's look at 33 and 33. So 33 and 33 is 66. Is the sum greater than 66? No. It says we don't know. That's correct. And then 33 and 34, sum of 33 and 34 is 67, which is greater than 66, the larger of the two numbers. So 34, yes. Okay, so we've graded all of those. Spelling and grammar is acceptable. I thought the spelling was fine. Algorithms are easy to follow. I wish that it had said, you know, start in the green circle or something, or having like start here arrow, but I would give it the point because it didn't take me long to figure out what to do. So I've got spelling and grammar algorithms. So these two, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this got 8 of the 10 points. This would be an 8 out of 10 project for that second one. Again, I made these up, but there's a way that you could try to do the second one, although like that 66 thing isn't quite right, and it couldn't deal with the same number if they were tied.